Hello students of Standard 10. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Mondracia. I am here with your Political Science Chapter 2 Federalism questions. I will give you the questions. Chapters I have already taught you. So be ready with your pen and rough copy to copy down the questions. After that, try to answer the questions according to the point. Your first question is, what do you mean by the term federalism? What do you mean by the term federalism? Second question, what is coming together federation? What is coming together federation? Question number 3, what do you mean by the 3 tiers system of Indian Federation? What do you mean by the 3 tier system of Indian Federation? Now question number 4, distinguish between the federal form of government and unitary form of government. Distinguish between the federal form of government and unitary form of government. Question number 6, examine the significance of decentralization. Examine the significance of decentralization. This topic I have taught twice. One in the regular video when I was going through the chapter, another when I was going through important topics. Question number 6, how is federalism practiced in India? How is federalism practiced in India? Question number 7, India is a country of diverse languages. You should write this one in inverted comma. India is a country of diverse languages. Full stop. Examine the statement under the linguistic diversity of India. Examine the statement under the linguistic diversity of India. And the last question, what is holding together federation? What is holding together federation? So in the second question I have given what is coming together federation. In the last, what is holding together federation? It might be there in the question paper, difference between coming together and holding together federation. You can join them together and write the answer. So once again I want to remind you that these questions, the answers of these questions, if you try to find out in any guidebook, it is given, but don't copy down directly as I have told you earlier, because those answers are very lengthy, which you have to learn also to write in the exam. So before copying down from the guidebook or any copy or anything, you must go through the answers, understand it. If you find it is suitable, copy down. Okay? Thank you. Stay home. Be safe.